This video goes through the most common free animation software for PC. Here you will know what software will be best suited for your usage. Krita is a 2D software that is best used for painting and drawing. It supports bitmap and partially supports vector. Although Krita has an animation timeline, this software was made for creating art and still images. The way I utilize this software is for creating art which you can then export to other programs, which works best for me. Despite it not primarily being an animation software, it can still be used for creating high quality stylized animation. Synfig Studio primarily focuses on making vector-based 2D cutout animations. This software is limited as it doesn't support bitmap and is not suitable for frame-by-frame animation. I personally have limited experience with this software since the animations I create rely on drawing in between and adding squash and stretch features. If you enjoy basic cutout animations, you probably would enjoy this software. Opentoonz, created by Studio Ghibli, is used to create more advanced 2D animations. Opentoonz has a virtual camera which adds flexibility to a scene. This program supports both vector and bitmap effectively. It also has a lot of effects you can add to your layers to make your scene pop out more. I've had quite some experience with Opentoonz as it was my first animation software on my laptop and have great experience with it. The thing I don't really like about this software is how many bugs it has. It crashes a lot, the vector side of the program can be a bit buggy, the fill tool doesn't work as intended, the undo button for bitmap has some issues. Well, aside from all that, it will serve its purpose for creating any kind of 2D animation you want. Pencil 2D is a beginner-friendly animation program as it has a simple layout and easy to understand features. This program supports both vector and bitmap and even has an audio layer. Pencil 2D supports frame-by-frame animation alongside being able to import different images from external sources. It is very similar to the infamous stick notes for Android and iOS. It is beginner-friendly and easy to pick up. The program has its limitations, being only able to make stick figures. The stick figure is animated using pivot points, which barely requires any background knowledge in animation to use. Pivot animation is best used for creating simple stick figure animation without too much complexity. This last software is by far better than all animation softwares mentioned previously. Using 2D in Blender is achieved by using Blender's grease pencil objects. The grease pencil object works like any other stroke, only that it can exist in 3D space. Blender has a very steep learning curve, so I would recommend you learn the Blender basics first before jumping into Blender 2D animation. There are a lot of tutorials out there if you want to get started. Blender has almost limitless possibilities when it comes to creation, whether it be 2D animations or 2D in 3D space. Blender's massive community also makes learning new complex stuff super easy compared to the other animation software. Also, going forward, I'll be making lots more videos on Blender and how the principles used to create these videos can be applied to any other program. Just a reminder that Blender is not the easiest software to pick up and use, but with perseverance and practice, it will be very easy to navigate. I knew nothing in Blender before starting up, but with the help of a Doughnut tutorial, I was able to make this. A link of the tutorial I used to make the donuts will be in the description and the link of every other program that was mentioned in this video. And with that being said, here is a ranking of all the 6 animation software capabilities in my opinion. If you enjoyed this video or got something useful from it, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel as it helps out a lot. God bless you and have a wonderful day.